Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to fill all blank cells in Excel with text. So let's start this in Excel and here you can see I have a simple data. So in this data I have some blank cell and here I want to fill all these blank cell with the one text. Okay. So simply select the full data. First select the one cell inside the data, then press the shortcut key Ctrl A to select the full data. Then press the shortcut key Ctrl G to open the Go to dialog box. Then click on the spatial option, then click on the blanks and click on the OK. And here you can see all blanks is selected. Okay. After that, here I want to fill these blanks with text. So simply write the text those you want. So I just write here text, my text. No. Okay. Then don't press enter key. Press the control plus enter key. Okay. I just pressed here control plus enter key and that's it. You can see all blank cell fill with text. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.